All right, so today we're gonna be working on our weighted calf raise. Now there's two variations that we can go off of, and I'll show you that in a moment. For regular calf raises, what we're going to do is push up onto the front of your foot. You can feel your calves nice and tight as we drive our weight upwards. Now, while we're doing the calf raise, with weight, it's important to make sure that our body's nice and straight, core is engaged, glutes engaged, and we're gonna grab onto a kettlebell now. So, our two variations that you're able to do with this exercise, depending on how balanced you feel, okay? First variation, we're gonna have the kettlebell up to the chest, and we're just gonna hold it right here as we press into our calf raise. So push up, push up, push up. On the way down, we're gonna stay nice and controlled, letting our calves control that entire movement from top to bottom, okay? So one's gonna be up to the chest, and the other is going to be an overhead press, up towards the ceiling, arms fully extended outwards. Make sure our back is engaged to help keep our shoulders stable. And in this position, we're going to drive up into a calf raise. Now with this one, it is slightly harder to balance. So if you're having trouble balancing, it might be easier for you to start from the chest and building up to the press. Now one more note on calf raises. One common mistake with calf raises is that people tend to rotate their foot outwards when the weight gets a little too heavy. So focus on pushing straight up onto the front of your foot rather than outwards to the side. And that is our weighted calf raise.